pour les Pays-Bas, Monsieur le Premier ministre d'Aruba, Mike Eman.
President, I'm honored to represent the Kingdom of the Netherlands today here at this very important dialogue. The Kingdom of the Netherlands exists of the Netherlands and 6 islands in the Caribbean. The Netherlands is a country that already lives climate change, a country that a great part of its territory is under the sea level, a country that has strived to exist with this reality for many centuries. Part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands is also 6 Caribbean islands that confront regularly natural disasters, also sometimes the consequence of all the natural changes that is occurring in our weather system. So coming to the United Nations as the Prime Minister of Aruba, one of the partners within the Kingdom of the Netherlands, with this experience in our lives and with the prospect that we can change the direction that the world is going on such an important subject for the livelihood of our citizens, reinforces our commitment to contribute, to give where we can our efforts and energy in order to realize the goals that we set out with our commitment to the SDGs. One of the strengths of the SDGs are that they are very logic. We share them. They are so evident in their goals and objective. But also, in that reality lies the challenge of the SDGs. Because if they are so logic and they're so evident, why were we not able yet to realize most of these goals and objectives? And it's there where I believe that the contribution of our Pope in adopting in the General Assembly of the United Nations the SDGs was extremely important. Because besides the knowledge of what we have to do in order to realize these goals, we need to have a very strong sense of moral commitment to realize these goals. Without this moral commitment, we will be sitting here again in 5, 10, or 15 years and realize that we have the rationale, we have the technology, we even have the possibility to change things that we see that are so evident that need to be changed, but we don't have the willingness and the courage to do so. So I believe that today we can ratify our commitment to the SDGs, but we need to do something much stronger. We all need to go home after these very productive discussions and dialogues and see how we can create a real sense of commitment to realize these goals. A sense of commitment that goes beyond the daily interest of our citizens, our companies, our institutions. Because if it was so clear that this is what we need to do, then most of it would have been realized already. So our daunting task lies in the commitment that we need to create as countries and institutions in order to realize the goals of the SDGs. As the Kingdom of the Netherlands, we are making a difference every day in many of these goals. The Netherlands is very known in the world for its technology, its approach, a systematic approach to controlling the threats of rising tides. In Aruba, we have set out to become totally renewable by 2020. We already have 30% of our energy capacity based on renewable windmill farms, sun farms, and also waste to energy that replaces important damaging wastelands on our islands. All of our islands are working tirelessly in order to make the conversion to renewable energy. So, for us, it is important that we can share with you that we don't only feel that we have the commitment of beautiful goals as set out in the SDGs, but that we also would like all of us to make here a commitment that will reinforce the social conscience of our citizens in order to really be able to make the changes that we are committed there today. Thank you, Madam Chairman.
Merci, Monsieur le Premier ministre.